Algebra 1, Lesson 37, greater than and less than, graphical solutions of inequalities. Jumping right into the practice, this will be a very quick lesson. We have to draw a number line and graph the solution of x is less than and equal to 5. So starting with A, we need to graph x is less than and equal to 5. Start by drawing our number line. So we draw a line, put 0, and we've got our number line. Now let's go to the inequality. We know that x is less than and equal to 5, so we're going to be starting at the number 5. So I'll just go ahead and put a line, mark that as 5. That seems about right. Now we have to deal with this less than or equal sign. Now the equal determines what type of circle we're going to have. If it's equal, it's going to be a closed circle. If it's not equal to the graph, then it will have an open circle. But since it is equal, and equal is a possibility, we're going to have a closed circle. Now less than. If you remember, less than goes to the left, greater than goes to the right. So we're going to draw our line and our arrow going to the left. And that's our answer right there. And your graphs can be just as simple as this. You don't have to put tick marks for every single number. All you need is 0 and then the numbers being involved in the graph. Now let's go to B. In the book they say write an inequality that describes this graph. And I have so artistically copied this graph right here with the bare minimum information that we need to solve the problem. So the first thing that we need to look at is the number that we're starting at. We're starting at 4. So we'll write that on the right side of our inequality. And then on the left side we're going to have x. So x is going to have some relationship to 4. First thing we look at is the dot. Remember, if it's an open dot, it is not equal. If it's a closed dot, it is equal. Since this dot is open, it's not equal to 4. Now we look at the direction of the arrow. The arrow is going to the right, so that means greater than. So we can say that x is greater than 4. And that's our answer. And that's all there is for this lesson. It's very short, very simple.